Sing tayo. Ito ay regalo noong Mother's Day. Thank you, Emily Hong Kong. Regalo to ng Emily Hong Kong. Dami buhos natin. Wow. Dami nilang bigay. Oh, may coffee. May chocolate. Oh, may tinapay. Ang galing. At saka ito, may bag. Ewan ko, bag yata ito or wallet. Tip natin yung halalang. Ang ganda naman. Oh, ang galing. Bago ko. Regalo nila noong Mother's Day. Ang galing naman. Thank you. Oh. Smiling life. Ang galing. Ay, may strap siya. Oh. Pwedeng sling bag. Ang galing naman. Thank you very much. Ito ang regalo sa akin. Oh, Mother's Day. Party kami noong Mother's Day. Dami nilang bigay. Oh.